Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling location and camera permissions so the app can embed coordinates. Without that, you can't stamp photos. Next, set date/time format and GPS accuracy to high for precise coordinates, because accuracy controls the quality of your stamp. Once done, open GPS photo stamp camera and pick photo mode. Don't linger in settings. Take a test shot to confirm permission prompts resolved, and the live GPS indicator turns green. Now configure what appears on the image. Choose date, time, coordinates, altitude, and address so every photo carries the context you need. Make sure to adjust font, size, color, opacity, and position. A light font on dark areas improves legibility. Move it away from subjects. Once set, enable map preview or QR output if you want visual verification or machine-readable data. Then take several photos from different lighting to confirm visibility and placement. To finish, review the stamped photo and its metadata. Make sure the coordinates match your location, then back up images to cloud or SD for safekeeping. If you shoot many images, use batch processing or enable auto-stamp to save time and maintain consistency. If GPS data is missing or incorrect, try toggling location, toggling airplane mode to reset radios, or connect an external GPS. These steps typically restore accurate positioning without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.